With the test adapter, you can get to the bottom of any fault in the telephone system. See how to use this in the program Test Adapter, Testing and Diagnosis of the Telephone System. But it can also occur that the test adapter itself has a fault. A continuously flashing LED, for example, means that the adapter can't finish the initialization process. In this case, perform a self-diagnosis of the test adapter. Read the test requirements and connect the test adapter to start diagnosis. Then connect the test adapter to an AC adapter. Then plug the test adapter into its own contact plate. Start the test. Create a loud background noise. The self-test was successful. The test adapter is OK and is ready for use.